Hi, I'm Evan Doran, Associate Editor with Modern Machine Shop, and today we're here at FANUC's booth at IMTS 2024, taking a look at one of their new ROBODRILLs, as well as an automated cell that uses robots equipped with vision systems to perform multiple kinds of processes and create a part from start to finish automatically.
The ROBODRILL in this cell is a 5-axis vertical machining center, but it differs from other ROBODRILLs in its class in an interesting way.
It can only perform 4-axis simultaneous machining, but this is because it has 2 rotary axes that can actually hand a part between themselves in order to perform machining on multiple sides of a part in a single operation. The whole manufacturing process relies on multiple robots, each of which is equipped with its own vision system to complete everything from parts handling to parts cleaning to laser etching. Raw material is loaded onto an autonomous moving vehicle that then transports this raw material, these blanks, over to the machine itself, where another robot picks and places them. Finished workpieces are then transferred to an inspection system. The autonomous vehicle is equipped with a kind of QR code that the vision systems can scan to make sure that they know exactly where and how to orient the parts. After being reloaded onto the autonomous vehicle, these parts are moved to a parts cleaning station. After they're fully cleaned, they then move to a laser etching station. After a little bit more cleaning, the part is complete.